In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Discord announcement channel. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. We are here on our Discord server, right? So we're going to create a Discord announcement channel right here in this server. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click here, right? We're going to click on the create channel. I'll come on here and type in announcements, right? So we are creating an announcement channel, right? So if I have an announcement I want to make, any public announcement, I can come on here on this channel and share my thoughts, right? So I'm gonna click on the create. Once I've clicked on the create, you can see we just created our announcement channel right here. So this is basically how you can create a Discord announcement channel here on your server. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.